What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to be preventing another yard from flooding by extending their downspouts all the way out to the street. Now, what happened before is someone put a French drain system in with the recharge, and the downspouts, they put it into a flow well station over here, and yeah, it's too much water. It cannot handle it, so we have to just have the French drain off the patio and everything go to the flow well, but we're going to reroute the downspouts to go out to the street. So let's get started. Here we go. As you can see, they've already have a French drain in here, all air on the side and all of this, but too much water builds up in here, overflows the system. They have the flow well somewhere over there in the corner, so I'm going to be having to redig all this, see what kind of configuration they have here, reconfigure it to just tie into the downspouts so I can go here, run out to the street, tie this downspout up front into it. This will be coming in, tying in straight there. We're gonna have this come over here, come out somewhere near the van tire, and then this downspout over here, I'm gonna do the same thing, have it come out, go straight there. Stopped it right here, but we're gonna go ahead and extend it the rest of the way so it's not just flooding in the center of his yard. So let's get started. And here we go. We have the front all dug out, front of the house, and then we have the left side of the house. Everything is completely done. As you can see, you have everything going. We're going to be downhill to level for most of this. Gonna be tying this downspout into here, everything around the back. Everything is ready to go. Now, time to cut that downspout, cap that off, and get all this piped up. So let's get to it. And here we go. Now that this is no longer going to be routed into the other French drain that they had going to the flow wells, you want to make sure you cap it off, just so that way no dirt or anything else ends up getting into the system. So cap that off, backfill some, hook up this downspout. Let's go. All right, now we have it all completely piped up. As you can see, we are over downhill to level, switched out the clean out over there, so now it actually has a clean out. We have everything going downhill this way, and as you can see, right on the other side, still downhill to level, all the way under here. You see we picked up this downspout through the bush, which this one is completely all the way downhill to level, and everything here hits the corner, still downhill to level. It's gonna go all the way down here towards the end, which is also downhill to level. And of course, as I always tell everybody, burrito wrap at the end where your 90 is, you drill some holes in it, put filter cloth, put rock, that way when it pops out it can drain. Over here we did the same thing. Burrito wrap, holes drilled. We got one downspout, and this, since it was a shorter run, obviously everything is just completely insanely downhill to level. So as soon as the water at all hits this roof, comes down, it's gonna be rolling extremely fast all the way to the pop-up. That is exactly how you run your downspouts out to the street. Now to backfill, show you how they all work. All right, now that everything is finished, put the hose in the furthest clean out. Come all the way down here to the end. So watch it come up. So when it's raining, you're gonna have the downspout from there, the one in the front, it's gonna come over here. All the water is gonna come down here. As you can see, the water has already made it here before I even got back. As it's down here, it's filling up the mini dry well. As you can see the water going in. As the mini dry well fills up, then this will be able to build up, facilitate out, pop up, overflow onto the street, and go down to the nearest storm drain, which is down that way. Now to wait for it to pop up. And here we go. The water overflows, comes out, and this is exactly what it's gonna do. Bam, just like that. Water comes up, facilitates out. Obviously, all this is going to come down a little bit after a couple rains and everything settles. But this is exactly how it's going to work. Water's just going to pop up, build up, go down and run all the way down the street to the storm drain next door, actually. So this is how you efficiently and properly prevent your yard from flooding by simply running out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.